Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about 3 ways on how you can possibly fix TikTok Shop not showing on your profile. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So first, and one of the most common troubleshooting ways that you can do is to restart your mobile device. I personally often do this, and this actually solves like 80% of my app or device issues. But if the problem is still there after restarting your phone, the second thing that I recommend that you do is go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for TikTok. And if you see an update button here, just tap on it and wait until it finishes updating. Updates often contain bug fixes that address issues in previous versions. Without these fixes, certain features might malfunction or be inaccessible. After doing these troubleshooting methods and you still can't fix the issue, it's time to report the problem to TikTok support. So just go to TikTok, then go to your profile. After that, tap on these 3 lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. And then scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Just tap on it. Then scroll down again and tap on Chat with Us. So here you can chat at TikTok Help Desk, and it's better compared to the previous versions because now you will most probably receive a real-time response since this is a chat support. So just type a message like this. Once you're done, just tap the send button and hopefully they can help us solve this issue. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.